Divisibility in mental math. So to test whether or not something is divisible, you got to follow these rules. So it's divisible by 2 if it is an even number. It's divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. Divisible by 5 if it ends in a 5 or 0. Divisible by 6 if it's divisible by 2 and 3. Divisible by 9 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 9. And 10, it's divisible if it ends in a 0. So if you don't have those or don't know those, now would be a good time to pause and make sure you have those. So let's use these to test some numbers. So let's say we have the number 540. So we're going to test which numbers it is divisible by. So the first number you can always have for divisible is 1. I didn't include that rule because 1 can go into every number because it's 1. So 2, it's even. Well, it ends in a 0, so it's even. So it's divisible by 2. 3, we got to add the digits. So 5 plus 4 is 9, plus 0 is 0, or 9, sorry. So the digits sum equals 9, and 9 is divisible by 3. It ends in a 0, so it's divisible by 5. It's divisible by 2 and 3, so it's divisible by 6. It's divisible by 9 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 9. Well, the sum of the digits is 9, and 9 goes into 9. And it's divisible by 10 because it ends in a 0. So that number is divisible by every single number that we have a rule for. Now let's try another number. So let's try 336. So again, 1 is always there. 336 is even, so it's divisible by 2. For 3, let's add the digits. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 6 equals 12. 12 is divisible by 3. Doesn't end in a 5 or 0, so not 5. It's divisible by 2 and 3, so it's divisible by 6. 9 won't go into 12 evenly, so 9 doesn't work. And it doesn't end in a 0, so it's not divisible by 10. Let's do one more number. So let's say we have 1,260. So just wanted to show you that this works for even bigger numbers, and that's kind of the reason we do this. So first, we always start with 1, because 1 is always divisible. 2, it is even, so 2 goes into it. 3, we got to add the digits. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 6 equals 9, so it's divisible by 3. 5, it ends in a 5 or 0, so it's divisible by 5. 6, it's divisible by 2 and 3, so 6, it's divisible by. 9, the sum of the digits is 9, and 9 goes into 9. And then 10, it ends in a 0, so it's divisible by 10. So that's how you use your divisibility rules.